Hello, mathematicians. Today we get to use a fun math tool that is called a number rack. So right now, I want you to get your number racks. If you already have them, awesome. If you need to go get yours, I want you to pause me. Pause, that's my pause symbol. And then press play when you have your number rack. Okay, I'm pausing. And now everyone should have their number rack, so we're ready to go. And the first thing you're going to do is watch this video. So if you're watching this video right now, then you are following step number 1. Second thing you're going to do once you're done watching this video is click Add Response. And I'm going to do that right now. And I'm going to take you through the 3 different examples that I have for you, share some of my thinking, and then it's going to be your turn to follow and complete the other pages. So here they come, it's loading up. Okay, here's the first activity. There's going to be 3 different number rack activities that'll get you thinking about number racks. The goal for today is to think about how to move the beads efficiently with as few moves as possible, and also how to count efficiently with as few, like, bigger leaps, bigger scoops. So the first couple activities are called How Did You Count It? And then you're going to look at a number rack, and then you're going to show how you counted. And you can record with a drawing tool or a microphone. I did both. So you can see how I counted this one. I counted by 2s, 2 and 2 and 1. And then I knew it equaled 5. And I also recorded this with the microphone just for fun.
I see 2 plus 2 plus 1, and together it equals 5.
There it is. So I did it both ways. Okay, and so that's your example. You don't have to do anything here, but you do have on these other pages here, check it out, you've got 1, 2, 3. You have 3 of those, 3 how you count it, and then you move on to building the number. So now you're going to build the number with your number rack. And then you're going to take a picture of your number rack and show how you counted. I don't have the cool number racks you guys do, so I have to use this app, which is not as cool because I don't have it in my hands, which I really like. So this one has a little funny thing here. Whoa, I don't want to move everything. Hello, folks. I just want to move that little part. I'm going to click on the finger, and I'm going to move. I don't know if I can actually move that. I think it's all complete. You can move the star once you're in your activity. For some reason, it's not working with mine right now. Anyway, so the star will be on top of the number, and you'll have to move it over to find it. But it should be pretty easy. You'll get the hang of it. And let me show you real quick what that looks like. I hope you can. Yeah, there it is. Woo! Well, you saw that one. Hopefully. Okay, so that's what it's looking like. This one, for some reason, isn't moving, but the other ones work. So once you find out what the number is, you build it using your number rack. And then you take a picture of the number rack and show how you counted. So I built 11, and the way I built it was 2 5s and 1. And I knew that 2 5s together is 10, plus 1 more is 11. And I just did a little recording for you guys too. Let's try that again.
On this one, I have 5 on top, and then 5 and 1 on bottom. And 5 and 5 is 10, and 1 more is 11.
Yeah. So I like to think about what's on top and what's on bottom. In the 2 kind of, those are like compartments. And then I wrote it as an equation because that's one way to show thinking, right? Okay, so you're going to do 3 different build the numbers activities. There's 1, 2, 3, and on each one of them, you got to move the number to find out what it is. And then you'll upload a picture of your number rack, right? Okay, and then the last one is a little bit more challenging. It's the most challenging. It's kind of how many different combinations on the number rack can you find that make 3? And so I found 4 different combinations. And let me play that for you.
I found 4 different combinations to make 3. 3 on top, 2 on top, and 1 on bottom. 1 on top, 2 on bottom, and then 3 on bottom. So 4 different combinations.
Okay, yeah, that's what I did there. And you are going to see how many combinations can make 5. And you'll just take pictures of each one you make and upload those, okay? All right, awesome. That's what you're going to do. And just a quick review. These are the examples. You're going to do 3, how did you count it? You're going to do 3, build the number. And you're going to do 1, how many different combinations? And that'll be a good brain workout. And remember, I want you to be thinking about efficient. How can you count it using bigger scoops? And how can you move those beads using bigger scoops? All right. I can't wait to see your work. I'm sure if you're not in my class, your teacher is going to be looking forward to seeing your work too. I know Miss Dickey and Miss Tucker and Miss Becker, they're all excited to see your work. So here we go. Once you're done, you click that and it uploads. All right. We'll see you guys later.